Mr. Winton, go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, could you please state your name and where you reside for the record?
Yvonne A. Lopez,
And what was your relationship to the decedents?
wife,
Okay. And is Mr. Lopez deceased?
yes,
Okay. And on what day and place did he pass away?
15 April 2022,
And where was he when he passed away?
El Paso, Texas,
Okay. And it hasn't been more than 4 years since his passing, correct?
correct,
Okay. And he was domiciled here in El Paso County and his estate was here in El Paso?
yes, sir.
Okay. And where was that estate? Do you remember the address?
2601 Frankfurt Avenue, El Paso, Texas, 79930.
And the document sought to be probated, to your knowledge, is the last will is the will of Jose R. Lopez.
Yes,
Okay. And to your knowledge, did he ever revoke or make a subsequent will or codicil an amendment to that will?
did he ever
Rephrase.
revoke?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's my hearing aid. No, he never did.
Okay.
And what was
Mr. Winton, ma'am, if you don't understand or hear, tell them you to repeat, because we can't have two people talking. Okay,
All
go
right,
ahead,
sir.
Mr. Winton.
okay? And he passed, and that will was dated on February 21st, 1997.
Yes,
Okay. And was y'all's marriage ever dissolved after the making of that will?
no, sir.
And were there any children born or adopted to Mr. Lopez after the making of that will?
No,
And in his will, did he name a government agency or any charitable organization as a beneficiary in the will?
no,
And was your husband covered by Medicaid?
no,
And to your knowledge, all the debts of his estate have been paid, correct?
yes,
Okay. And you've reviewed the information that we submitted in the probate application, and to your knowledge, everything is true and correct.
yes.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
Good job, Mr. Winton. Ma'am, I'm very sorry for the loss of your husband, ma'am.
Thank you.
The court, after hearing testimony, will admit the last will and testament of your husband into probate as a muniment of title. And we'll sign the order right now. Is the proof of death in?
She's going to sign it, and I'll send it to you here shortly in the next 30 minutes, sir.
Well, yeah, you have to e-file it, okay?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
All righty. Okay, ma'am. Good luck to you and take care of yourself, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Winton, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate your time, sir.